Hello guys, my name is Devendra and you will watch the HW tutorial channel. So click 2D, we will make 2D shaft joint shaft. Then click sketch and here choose any plane. So here choose plane, click line, then click origin and then go to the vertical line. We need 9 vertical line and 8 horizontal line. So let's draw the line. Also here, 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 also here, here. We need to discuss only horizontal or vertical line. Okay? Now it's fine. Then click to the again origin. So finish the sketch. Click escape button. So now we exit to the sketch. So now provide to the dimension to the define this fully defined sketch. Go to the sketch dimension and this value is 17 mm and this also 25 mm and this 58 mm. It's closer to the side. This is also 5 mm and this 22 mm and also this 18 mm, same as this 18 mm and then last one this 62 mm. Click OK. Now it's our half sketch is ready. Now we draw to the again sketch line. This value is 25 mm and also this mm. This value is 20 mm. So this 25 mm, 19 mm, 15 mm, also this and 14.5 mm on this value and this is also 12.5 mm. Now our sketch is fully defined. Then finally finish the sketch. Then click revolve channel. Select this. Select axis. This sketch. Click to the shift or drag middle mouse button. Your sketch is fully great. And click OK. Now our half sketch is already ready. It's pretty good. Now we have removed this sharper edge. So click chamfer on this edge, also here to here. Value is 5, 2. Click OK. Also chamfer edge, provide the sharper edge. Now we choose the plane. So go to construction, offset plane. To this plane also, use 20 mm offset from this direction. So click OK. Click this plane, right click mouse, create a sketch. Now we go to sketch, create a sketch, then draw to a slot, center slot channel. Then click also here, then draw a slot. Then provide to the sketch dimension, it's 30 mm, and also this 5 mm. We need to, this is also center. Then click line and click origin to this point. Now we click this line, then click horizontal. Now it's fully defined. Then provide this dimension. Click dimension sketch 55 mm. Now our sketch fully defined. We need to, this is sketch is center line. So click OK. Finish object. Exit to the sketch. Go to extrude cut. We need to, this is extrude cut. So click cut here. Also 10 mm. Symmetry. It's also bigger, so we need to 7. 5. And click OK. Now your sketch is ready. Now we draw to the here on this face. Click this face. Create a sketch. Draw to a circle on its origin. Define this value. It's 50 mm. Click OK. Now draw a line to origin to the upper point. Again I draw a line also here to. Now we define to the fully sketch. So click sketch on this edge to this edge is 3 mm. Also here 3 mm. Now we need to this face to this face is 1 mm. Also here 1 mm, and also totally is 4 mm. Now our sketch is fully defined. We need to draw a fillet on this sharp edge. So click fillet, its corner on this corner. It's good. Then click trim entity. We need to remove unwanted quantity. So click here. Now we sketch is ready. Click F. So this also line is need to be center line. So click center line. Now we exit to the sketch, and now have to click extrude cut here. Click remove it to this value. It's longer side. Click OK. It's cutting good. Also is both corner is sharper, so click fillet on this sharper edge to the this value is 0.5 mm. Then click OK. Now to draw this teeth in 20 time on this face. So click modify. It's not work. So click sketch. Go to pattern, circular pattern. Click in here. Choose a feature. So click flat or extrude cut. Need to draw or click at axis. So we need to click here 20 time. Then click OK. Now its ear teeth is good. Draw to the looking good, looking great. Now our gear is ready. So again draw our teeth here on this face. Click this face. Click right to attend to mouse. create a sketch. Draw to a center circle on this origin. Click sketch. Provided to the dimension is 25 mm. Now we again draw a line to origin to the sketch face. This is also need to be horizontal center line. So click center line. Need to draw again line. Click here to this face to this. Can draw same size before. Click dimension. It's here to here 3.4 mm. Now it's horizontal to this line 1.7 mm. Also here 1.5 mm. On this center line to distance is 0.75 mm. And also top to bottom 2.5 mm. Now we sharper edge, click fillet 0.25. Click here to here 0.25. Yes, click enter. Now we remove unwanted entity. So click trim button. So click here. Now our sketch is almost ready. Click drag to the view. Click to final sketch. Then go to extrude cut. We click it, cut extrude. Click this face. And also here. It's good. Click OK. Again, fillet this sharper edge. Click fillet. Selected these two face 0.25 mm. Now click OK. Now we click create, choose a circular pattern. With already selected feature, click object, fillet or extrude cut. Need to be provided to the axis, so click also here. Make to this is 14 times. Then click OK. Now this is also teeth is great. Now last provide teeth on here. So our sketch is already fine. Well, save. So click to this face, mouse button to right, then click create a sketch. And again draw to the circle on this origin. This provide value, it's 38 mm. Click OK. Again draw a line to origin to the center of face and click origin to the also before time. Need to be this is sketch is almost center line and provide to the value. Click here to here is 4.7 mm and also this 1.5 mm. Top to bottom is 3.1 mm. Its gear teeth ratio. So click here to also here we need to middle time 4.7 divided by 2 and also here to this 0.75 mm. Now the sketch is fully defined. We need to fillet on this corner and also this corner each 0.25 mm. It's not, it's 0.5 mm. Click enter to remove unwanted entity. So click trim button, then click OK. Exit to this sketch, back to this piece. So click, go to picture manager, click extrude cut, to extrude cut, select the body here to here. Now we here to profile distance to object. Need to here. Click OK. Now again go to create a button, then choose a circular pattern. select already selected feature, then click fillet. Oh, sorry, we are forget to incorporate fillet. So click, you can select fillet selected. Also this is 0.5, then click OK. Now go to circular pattern, choose a fillet or extrude cut. On to the axis, already selected this. So now it's 17 number of teeth. Now click OK. Now already almost joint shaft is almost ready. We need to hold a in center. Click on this face again, then choose a create a sketch. Draw to a circle on his origin. It's 6.2 mm. Create a file sketch. Go to extrude cut. Choose a cut extrude. Choose this face. Put it direction is 15 mm. Then click OK. So now it's all huge and shaft function is almost done. Just now create a hole on this face. Create a sketch. Go to the circle line on this origin. Now it's 10.2 for tolerance. Go to final sketch. Go to extrude cut. Click choose extrude base. Now choose this piece. Then 20 mm. Then click extrude. Now our shaft is almost done. Its back face and top, left, upper and isometric view. For more video, please channel subscribe and like. Thank you.